Right, assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome to Pepe video update today. And the technical target, which is down right over here, you're nearly looking you're looking forward to meet the target. So from the last update, Pepe, I've already told you that there was this trend line, and this trend line in particular has been lost. You can see that you had one touch, two, three, break to the downside, a move up, take the stop losses as well. This is one of the most biggest manipulation I've seen in a while, because the basic plan was to take this stop right over there. So take the stop and then push the prices to the downside. So basically I don't think the target is met just yet. I do believe you have one more target to come down to, and I'm going to take the trend line right here, because as far as I'm concerned, look at this sideways movement. That's a move down and another bear flag. So this bear flag is looking to come down to this technical target. I'm just going to bring that right there. So take this right here, place it right over there, and you can see that this is your technical target for Pepe, 5554. And this is a target again that I've been preaching about for so many days. And yeah, you actually did came down. I mean, we're pretty down, 5998, 6,000 almost. You touched the 6,000 mark. So what you did here was incredible. You took the stop losses out there, you took the stop losses here again, and I do believe this wick still is uninvited. I think you're still going to go down, take that wick, take this double stop losses, come down here, and then from here we're going to talk about maybe a possible scenario to move up, or even worse, which is not just confirmed at the moment, but even worse is if Bitcoin in September, because September is always a problem for Bitcoin, even though Bitcoin is pumping right now, but you can watch the update and there could be chances of Bitcoin going to $28,000. But if you look at the dominance, it looks like Bitcoin is dominating the market right now. And what I mean by that is, if Bitcoin is pumping up, altcoins are bleeding right now, because again, it's dominance. That means that people are into Bitcoin and people are removing money from the altcoin. So altcoins may take a beat again in the next coming few days. That's all I see on the dominance chart as well. And yeah, so what I was about to say is, even worst case scenario is, since you don't have any support in this zone right there, if Bitcoin gets bad and bloody and move down to $19,000 or $20,000 to fill the CME gap, then we may see a crush for Pepe, and not only Pepe, but a crush for so many altcoins. I may be careful, and I'm not very sure if this is going to happen again. This is not a confirmed statement that it's going to go down. The only reason I'm telling you is because in here you don't have any support. You don't have any support. The next support comes down right over there. So you have an empty space for a very big free fall as well. And from here, if it does end up coming down there is no way I'm not going to buy Pepe. If it ends up coming down to this level, wow, people are gonna be scared. They're gonna wet their pants, and I'm gonna be happy getting that big discount. And this is my favorite kind of entries and my favorite kind of trades as well. So that's it for this very quick update on Pepe. I'm going to see you the next one. Allah Hafiz.